So the next technique we will discuss here is a 3-point estimation. In 3-point estimation, we take 3 measures. Number 1, most likely. Number 2, optimistic. And number 3, pessimistic. For example, here if we have to reach airport from home by car, so how much time it take? We will say most likely it will take 2 hours. In optimistic scenario, if there is a good road condition and weather condition, the car is good, so we can say it will take 1 hour. And in pessimistic condition, where heavy traffic is there with heavy bad weather, so in this scenario we can say that it will take 3 hours. So for each activity you should come up with most likely, optimistic and pessimistic measures. So what is that all estimate that I can take to answer that question? So we have two distribution here. One is the beta distribution and the other one is basically the triangle distribution. This one is the triangle distribution. The beta distribution, which is more likely and more applicable number of times. Under beta distribution, it is used that 100 times you travel, 16.6% times you reach airport. Under optimistic way and the pessimistic way as well. And out of 100 times you travel, 66.67 times you reach airport under most likely way. This is how it works. So that's why 16.67 percentage will be represented by 1 by 6 and 66.67 will be presented by 4 by 6 and likewise. So these weightages are again attached with these measures like optimistic, most likely and pessimistic. Then we will simplify and we will get the 2 hours duration. Similarly, same formula can be applied for cost estimation. Cost is the only difference we will be considered here for optimistic, pessimistic and most likely measures. Now if somebody assumes or observes that triangle distribution, that means the past history data shows that out of 3 times you traveled airport, 1 time you reach in optimistic way, 1 time by most likely and 1 time in pessimistic way. So we can say duration is equals to 1 by 3 multiplied by optimistic way plus 1 by 3 multiplied by most likely way plus 1 by 3 multiplied by pessimistic way. So after simplification we will get 2 hours in duration. In the similar way we can apply this particular procedure for the cost estimation to improve the estimation accuracy.